Let's take off this old plate and replace it with new one. You see that Baba wey talk say kitchen belongs to women. E be like say na me dey use eye dey talk to, because I just love my kitchen to be in order. Guys, join me. Let's retouch this my kitchen area. Yes, now wetin we wan try achieve be this. At least one color. Wetin be different color, like say na sacrifice they use the plate they do. Anyway, Amazon has never disappointed me. Oh yeah, see, that's so it be before. Different color, which is not giving me that beauty that I want in my kitchen area. So I made mention of this before in my previous video. Then few people made a comment under the comment section that I should send it to them. So we choose one person under the comment section staying close to us in Wakefield. Normally all this place suppose just enter the nearest charity shop close to me here. So why not? You're going to be sending it to someone in Wakefield. This one are the foot match where I buy. Okay, move first, transfer this one, go corner first. Move to the mail details. This very one down is the one we want to arrange on that cabinet. Guys, this plate set, I love it. Hobby say not big enough for until they chop big swallow. Imagine though, person when they like swallow. Anyway, this come in 6, which is the biggest one. Then this one are the soup. Oh wow, so they carry my moho, they put soup on top. This one come in 6 too. Then move to this smaller deep plate, like it's really deep. Then this one also come in 6 set. Then move to the other one, like I kind of like this beautiful one for salad or anything garnishy and garnishable, you know what I mean. Then this is the last one. This one come in 6 as well, and they all look beautiful. So I don't carry this my buluku back home out to package all this packageable to transfer them. Now I don't add all these ones put inside the bag. I pray me no shy break sha. I shall carry carton put inside at the end of the video, so that if they match themselves, they not go break for inside. Oh yeah, make we carry these ones, package and put on top the cabinet. It was giving me beautiful arranging, but I kind of they think whether I go add this plate range inside, but nevertheless plate need to dry first. We'll still arrange and put inside the cabinet. Moreover, no space now. Make plenty plate not supposed need day here. The ones when go there for your family to eat alone. If you know our life in the UK. So those ones on top, I only take 2 out of it, then add other ones to the ones I want to give out. It's looking beautiful. Then do the cleaning and cleanable. Everywhere needs to spark. I'm opening this net. Hobby is saying, I be say not fine before, because I show and be say which kind colorful mat be this one. Now it's giving me the same color I saw on Amazon. Amazon, I do well. Oh yeah, let's push body enter this golden stainless. When you enter a hotel or a restaurant, these are the kind of spoon that they serve you with. So why not me having it in my house? Girl, I love my kitchen to be good though, to be looking good. So I got this beautiful set of golden spoon. I love it. In short, permit me to say LOVE with capital letter. I love the spoon. So it comes in the small fork, a knife, and the bigger spoon and the bigger fork. So I just wash them, then paper dry it to remove the water on it before putting it back to my space. Then do the cleaning and cleanable. See how here be before. Just take a look now. Anyway, it's fine, Shao, but I want the goodie one. I buy you. Let me know that in the comment section. So I pack all the old ones, put it inside the bag, then also add it to the other pack I want to give out. Then do a bit cleaning to make sure it's neat. Of course, now clean visitor they come. May they see better clean place enter. Do the cleaning and cleanable. No, it is not always too dirty though. Carry all these things, pour them inside. These are the fork. They look so beautiful. The knife, they look so cute. Or even they use knife, they chop safe. Anyway, maybe for visitor, because not be me. Now I won't use and chop. Anyway, carry this big one, put them inside, and I need extra space, and I create that for myself. Push and go corner, pour all those ones inside there. Then come carry all the spoon, add and join inside the bag. Yeah, I was thinking I would go use my hand to raise go one corner, but the thing heavy. Take a look at this mat. It's beautiful because I always like to use ordinary letter. They mash my kitchen like old woman, and you guys know everywhere is cold in the UK. So this one go shy help me and help my life. See me, they say Amazon never deliver this thing when I pay for next day delivery. No knowing say Amazon don't they do mumuti no go drop this big table for downstairs. That's why I carry my head use and waka how many story building as hobby not day house. As hobby don't come back as now to face the table the feast and be that. You see those YouTube DIY one and they watch now here the grandfather and the grandmother day. Anything when you buy you feast some yourself. See me go carry table go they make sure the old table where we get get am this one because we want something very small according to the house. Before furniture go take over space, person when they pay house rent no go see where they pass again. At the end, this is the dining. As they thought say they wan use hunting of hearts they stress me for this country, I no get their time. This is the end of the video. Bye guys, see you in my next video.